Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. Today, I am taking you on a property tour of 11611 Lime Creek Road. As a realtor here in Austin, I definitely see a lot of magnificent homes, but this one is really special. Check out this view. This custom modern home with quality finishes, a one-of-a-kind modern design by architect Bennet Liu. Views of hill country, Lakeway, Valente, Jonestown, and Lake Travis, if you can believe it. The other thing that makes this view amazing is that it's protected land on both sides, so it's never gonna go away. And there is a lot of development happening here in Leander. But first, let's check out this chef's kitchen. White quartz counters, all Thermador appliances, and Meteor Shower. Italian chandeliers over a 12-foot waterfall island with farmer's apron sink. Now, if you love to entertain like I do, this kitchen is made for it. Not only do you get to enjoy the beautiful view, you also have this little bar area set up right next door. So you have this amazing entertaining space with the bar, the kitchen, you have your little seating area over here. Now usually I like to do property tours on homes that are furnished, but this home was so spectacular, I had to come on over. Look at this massive living space over here. It's like I'm in the sky because I am watching the clouds move with these peekaboo windows all around this room. And the master is right off of this space. What a treat it would be to wake up with that view. And in the colder months, you have the fireplace as well. And wait till you see this bathroom. You have the his and hers sinks, the floating tub, and the oversized shower. There's light in every single room of this house. It kind of reminds me of Barton Creek before it got developed. And what girl doesn't love a closet like this? There are all of these sweet little built-ins. If you've been with us before on this channel, you know we're all about intentional design. So what a great place to display your found objects from your travels or significant moments in your life. So let's go see the other bedrooms and the downstairs. A lovely little built-in nook in this second bedroom with an ensuite. We have this little two-piece bathroom off of the main living space. One of the things that is truly special about this space is the simplicity of the design, the minimal nature of everything, including the glass ball chandeliers. It's almost like a blank canvas so that really your eye just takes in that view. So down here, we have a bedroom in each direction and the lovely laundry room in between. They have a Jack and Jill shared bathroom down here. And they really spared no expense with all of the windows in this home. And let's go check out the outside area. So you have all these great pathways, and one of the reasons is all items in this home do convey, by the way. There is a golf cart garage all on its own and additional storage space above. So we have upper and lower decks, which we'll get to in just a moment, but I wanted to show you the little seating area so you can really be in the center of all of this amazing nature. And even out here, I can see one house and just the tiniest peak of a roof over there. In Texas, there is nothing better than a covered deck. So you have one to the sun and one that's covered. I can just see 2 amazing seating areas out here with ceiling fans and misters. Yes, please. When it comes to designing a home, one of my favorite things to do is incorporate the place that you're in. So I love how they've gone with the wildflowers and the rocks from this property to make a little rock wall over there. It's not very often that we highlight garages on this channel, but you have to see this one. Polished concrete and 2 sets of barn doors, plus a mudroom and really well done shelving over here. And then we land right back at the front entrance. This additional garage space makes this home have a 6-car garage. Or it's already air conditioned and comes with a bathroom. It could easily be a mother-in-law suite, a nanny's quarters, whatever you want it to be.